Hi, I'm Kelly Balamuth with Balamuth Law. Welcome to my social media minute on estate planning. Today we're going to talk about the 5 things that a well-designed estate plan will do for you. The first is that it will preserve the value of assets that you own. The second is that it reduces unnecessary taxes if it's well prepared. This is an important one, especially when I'm recording this because we have a new administration under the Biden administration and we are expecting estate taxes to change quite a bit. So depending on what the tax structure is, an estate plan can always help deal with taxes. It can't always eliminate taxes, but there are a lot of steps that can be taken depending on how the tax laws are structured to maintain your assets, more of your assets, to be able to pass on to your beneficiaries as opposed to passing on to the government in the form of taxes. A third thing that a well-designed estate plan does is that it ensures your heirs get what you intend. So you pick your children or other people who may want to receive your assets upon your death, and a good estate plan effectuates those wishes. It also manages the assets in case of your incapacity. Many people don't realize that an estate plan doesn't only deal with what happens when you die. A good estate plan also deals with what happens when you become incapacitated, even if it's only for a brief time. You want to make sure that you have picked who is in charge of you and who is in charge of your stuff if you're unable to take care of yourself. Otherwise, you're left with the court picking that for you, and the court may not pick who you would pick. The last thing a good estate plan does is it protects your privacy. Without an estate plan, if you die with assets in your name, those assets will go through probate. Probate is basically court, and court files are public. So if you die without an estate plan, you're guaranteed of going through probate, and anybody can go to the court, find out what you had, find out who's going to get it. It's not a very private process. But a well-designed estate plan can completely wipe out that public nature of what happens after you pass away and keep things private for you and your family. So those are the 5 things a well-designed estate plan does.